cool. I am wearing the same things from a previous video because I'm doing filming today and I can't be asked to change my outfit for each video and pretend that I'm this YouTuber that does filming every time, because I don't. Because I'm that sort of person that lets shit build up because I'm stupid. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are well and looking after yourselves. If you are new here, make sure that you subscribe if you want to see more of me. And if you are a regular, thank you so much. So today I'm doing an unboxing, which is from Trick or Treat subscriptions, and I've just messed up which one is what. So that's not good. Okay, we'll go with this one. So I have no idea what's inside these boxes. I'm a little bit apprehensive because the last one that I did wasn't great. So we'll open it and see what's inside. Okay. Oh, I see an air freshener. Okay, so we have got a mystical air freshener. My other ride is a hearse. Smells like vanilla. Oh, it is vanilla. Vanilla scented. The next item is a bit of string. Intriguing. No, the next item is some little wooden magnets by the looks of it. And there is Spooky, Too Cute to Spook, and Fabulous, with a little ghost on it. They're not really my thing. So maybe I can pop them in a giveaway bag. The next item is a necklace of a key. Just take it out. God, it's on a really thin chain. Do you know, personally, I prefer thinner chains. So it's cute. It's got a little bat. Super shiny. Next, we have got a horror face mask. Okay, I'll like this. I will use this. It's like that dress fabric that you get. No, leggings. Sports legging fabric. Very cool. The next item is a sign. This is the last item. Sleepy Hollow, Dead and Breakfast, where you're sure to rest in peace. Please book ahead. And I'm assuming that's what the string is from. Ah, I can do that later. The magnets are $4.99 for the set. The air freshener is 99p, and the bat key necklace is $4.99. And the box is worth £25.95. Make sure that you go and check out Little Boutique's website to find the alternative subscriptions if you want to check them out. If you've got to the end of the video, put a little key emoji, and the first one will get sent this, because I'm nice. I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care of yourselves and don't forget to stay spooky.